Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hynne ka tarik risaw kala pynlong ya ka jingiakhih ka jarjar kabalatip kum ka silent Satyagraha halor ka Jingshah Thombor kawei ka Khynnah abakhat khandai snem ka karta haba kala shabat bor bat shah pyniap kisang ngut briew nongaiktien ka seng Congress uba Kennydy Khyriem haba kren bagi pathai khubor ula pynpaw ya ka jingpyrshah ya ka seng BJP ka bala buhrieh ya kini aka ki Jingshah bat kum juru ya ka jingbom briew ya Rahul Gandhi ubala let Uttar Pradesh banyak kendu ya ki bahaya yang jong ka Khynnah
Mataga singi tarik Oktober. Nagaland joko party congress joko state Meghalaya. Rangkat ke jindal lang jom working president Briew, ki general secretary, ki youth president, barkinong kitkam joko party. Nishong hangni kum ke jingpyrshah ya ke ka balajia hakini kisingi hapo Uttar Pradesh. Hakhat khandai tarik September arja arko kawei ka Khynnah banang khat khandai snem kabadai naka Valmiki community ki dalit kalasha batbor rape bat shah pyniap haki saungut ki briew ki badai na po hatras kawei ki shnong po UP ki badai na po ki upper caste community kum kini ki jingiakhih hangni hari jungi bat khamtam apo Uttar Pradesh bat ka ke basngu phla kalong ba kani ke Khynnah nam haka badang im gala shale ben wat ndayap ru dan jingsuk na ka banda jongka haka ba government ki police jong Uttar Pradesh kila thangno ya ka met jongka shimit ban buhrieh ya ki sakhi ki sabut ban buhrieh ya ki jingshah ban buhrieh ya ki evidence boro hakmat ka ai kani ka bana kalyang jong party congress jungi ngimla ban pediang lanu ru klaim ke jengtip bat klaim ke jeng benjur na kalyang jong ki bahayeng jong kata ka Khynnah berkawai ke khamsu phla kalong ba u president berim jong ke party congress Rahul Gandhi ke paraju ke Priyanka bat saut kinong yalam jong ke party congress kinalek support UP ban ya kendo ya ki bahayeng bahasem jong ke ni ka Khynnah kum ke jing sngolem ya ke family bat ban petni ke bala jia do kan ni ban wat jengtip ke batikna Henry Shaw bekenrung hapo Uttar Pradesh hapo border po khaput ki pulit jong ka Uttar Pradesh ki lakhang yaki bat ki lakta kti Rahul bat ki lathla ai la thi charge ru ya ki nong trei jong ka party wat ya ki media ru kai gane ka bangimla ban sothu ya ka jingle jong gane ka sarkar jong u Yogi Adityanath hapo Uttar Pradesh ka sarkar BJP ki jong u da ka bat deny ya ka hok bat ya ka jingshah kani ka jingjia kala sha pandram na baro khiliang om tang hangni po state jongi ha ka lengri India bat ha ka leng ka pathai ru wat na ka leng ka UN ru kala tho ba kani ka jingjia is very horrible bat bakam dei ban jesu nang ni sakmat tikini ki jingjia ki jujia barbor tingi kum ka jingpyrshah na ka leng jok party congress ni pyrshah ya kani ka jingle don bor ya ki genthai ki Khynnah ka bala jia ni po hatras bat bakam dei ban jesu nang ni sakmat bat ni kwa ba na kalyang jog government kan ai ke jingbishar ka bahok kan ai ke enquiry ka bakhot ban pensi tom ye kini ki bodon kti kat kum ka an ka bakin sa shem hadi.
It is time that we each and every Indian citizen should stand against the communal, the insensitive, the irresponsible Bharatiya Janata Party. We strongly condemn the incident that happened in Uttar Pradesh to our young sister, our Dalit sister. Stop oppression, suppression and discrimination against our minority communities, our Dalit brothers and sisters in UP, our tribal brothers and sisters in UP. Stop epidemic of rapes and stop harassing opposition leaders who raise the voices of our women, our Dalits, our tribals, brothers and sisters. BJP has proved beyond reasonable doubt that they are anti-women, anti-Dalit, anti-tribal and anti-India. We will continue our fight against suppression, oppression, and discrimination by the BJP. It is now in UP. It can happen in any other city and any other part. It can happen in Meghalaya also. We don't want this to happen. We don't want this to continue. Stop harassing our leaders who raise the voice for women. We stand in solidarity with the family members, and we, the Youth Congress, will continue our fight against this anti-people, anti-India Bharatiya Janata Party. The Bharatiya Janata Party is morally corrupt, and BJP needs to go. Jai Congress, Jai Hind.